A new age of industrialization has dawned in Odisha. Availability of mineral resources along with an industry-conducive atmosphere has expedited this industrial progress. To demonstrate this success in industrial field and to expedite the pace of industrialization, a special industrial fair, Enterprise Odisha 2012, was organized at Exhibition Ground, Bhubaneswar from 23rd to 27th of November 2012. In collaboration with Government of Odisha, Federation of Indian Industries had organized this exhibition. Lighting the lamp, Chief Minister Mr. Naveen Patnaik inaugurated the 17th Industrial and Consumer Fair, Enterprise Odisha 2012 on 23rd November. Mr. Rajnikant Singh, Honorable Minister, Steel and Mines, Government of Odisha, Mr. Parag Gupta, Principal Secretary, Department of Industries, Mr. Sudhir Dioraz, Deputy Chairman CII, Mr. Suresh Thawani, Chairman CII Odisha, Charter graced the occasion as guests of honor. In his inaugural address of Chief Minister laid stress on more and more investments in sectors like tourism and food process in the state.
The state government is at present attaching significant importance to skill development with an objective to improve the employability of our young people and create large employment opportunities.
After the function, the Chief Minister formally inaugurated the fair for the public and visited a number of stalls. He praised the increasing attraction for this Enterprise Odisha fair among people.
I am delighted that this industrial fair, sponsored by the state government and CII and various industries in our state, is getting better and better every year.
More than 100 attractively designed industrial and trade enterprises attended this trade fair and opened their stalls and examined their various activities to the visitors. Many major industrial enterprises, State Industries Directorate, several banking institutions and a number of small and medium industrial enterprises participated in Enterprise Odisha 2012. Tata Steel, which has joined hands for economic development of Odisha through industrialization for more than 100 years, had installed a beautiful stall that became the center of attraction in this fair. Common people as well as many important dignitaries visited this stall. Tata Steel Chief Resident Executive Mr. Sushant Kumar Mishra welcomed. Mr. T. Ramachandru, Chairman IJCOL, Mr. Parag Gupta, Principal Secretary, Department of Industries at the stall. Among other, Mr. Gopal Mahapatra, Editor Samaj and several senior journalists and others visited Tata Steel stall and appreciated the CSR initiatives.
टाटा स्टील स्टॉल जो बुलिकी देखिली बहुत भल लगे टाटा स्टील स्वास्थ्य जीविका पिला पाठ पढ़ाई काम कर।
In the Tata stall, industrial progress was demonstrated through human development through community participation. Informations were displayed on the Tata Steel's community development efforts in the field of livelihood, education, health and women empowerment, etc.
जाने से टाटा स्टील जो कलिंग जो नुआ प्लांट होची सेठी लोक माने केमती हेल्प करछे माने से शिक्षा स्वास्थ्य क्षेत्र में माने उन्नति केमती सहायता करछे त जीविका निर्वाह पे सेठी जेमती स्वयं सहायक गोष्ठी शिक्षा एमती मंदिर क्षेत्र जेमती सहायता करछे से विषय गोटे क्लियर पिक्चर पाइले तापर हमर जोड़ा सुकिंद अंचल जो काम होची सेठी जो काम चलछे सेठी गवर्नमेंट तो हेल्प करछे तो टाटा स्टील निज तरफ लोक केमती हेल्प करछे लोक माने उन्नति में केमती करछे से विषय बोलछे क्लियर पिक्चर एठो जानिया पाइले।
India International Trade Fair at New Delhi was concluded on Tuesday. Odisha Pavilion was the center of attraction in this trade fair. Culture, tradition, tourism and industrial development was beautifully displayed in this pavilion. Tata Steel also took part in this fair. The steel major had displayed the industrial progress and its commitment for community welfare initiatives, which was appreciated by one and all.